Oh, so welcome to the continuation of our training, okay, on the designing this UI. So something like a music or a sound collection, yeah, something like that. So we have to do your highlights and then this, okay. So I'm going to have to pick the icons, okay, from here. Remember, we already downloaded it and then uploaded it. Okay, that's me. I uploaded and downloaded it from free 3D icons. Then I need a music icon. Okay, so the notes icon. So we have images. I'm going to drag this. So okay, bring this here. Just bring this here. Okay, reduce the size. I'm going to Control C and then Control V. Okay, and just bring this here. So we might not do exactly as this. Okay, we'll just try to make it as close as possible, like look similar as close as possible. So let me bring this here. Okay. Now we have to do the text. So your highlights. So just the text to let's select this. Bring it here and then I'll type your highlights. Your okay and then okay. So the text size for this is 40 Lato regular 40 Lato regular. Okay, so um, size 40. I'm going to also enlarge this. Okay. Then I'll type your text or your so your okay, change the text color to white. Okay. Or you can do that from the color wheel here. Okay. I'll also leave it as Montserrat extra bold. Okay. Then we have highlights. So I can just duplicate this. Control C, Control V. And I'm going to type highlights. Okay. Let's see if we can make it regular. So let's make it regular. Okay. So your highlights, or better so, let's make Control Z. Let me undo it. Okay. So your highlights. Rather, let's do the your. I'm going to do the your regular. Okay. So that will put some emphasis on the highlights. Okay. So I'm going to make this one extra bold. Or let's use semi bold. Okay. So I think I like this way. So your highlights. Okay. I think the spacing. Let me give you some spacing. Okay. So I think this is quite okay. And then let's see. So the size that's one. Okay. So that's one. So let's change this to 31. Okay. So 31. Now we have to do this, and then we'll do the rest. But let's see. Let's do this. Okay. So I'll go to let's say templates. Then I'm going to search for let's see footer. Sorry, this file I don't know. So footer, I'll drag it. and I'm going to bring it here. So, first of all, let me see. Something is missing. Okay. I don't know. The profile here seems to be lost. Okay. Okay. So we have it here. And then we can change its color. Remember, you can see my color for this. Is this color value. So I'm going to pick this. Now let's give it to this. So this is going to have this color. All the icons. Okay. Paste it. And then we have our color. Can bring it back to where it's supposed to be. I don't know why. Um, let's use send to bootstrap. Okay. Then I'm going to bring them here. Okay. So now we have it's okay. And we have what? So sounds. Okay. So sounds. I think it's where sounds. Sounds, and then I'm going to change the icon to music. So let's see if we'll get music. Okay. So just select it and then it changes. Okay. That's very smart of who is it. And then we'll give it the color of this color value. So this color value, which is this. So let's paste it here. Okay. Now we want to do that of okay, so you can see the corners are rounded, but because of time, I'm going to leave it like this. So I wouldn't round in the corners. Okay. Or maybe it's an assignment to you to figure out how to round in the corners. So leave it this way. And then I'm going to have to do the popular sounds. Okay. So just pick this text, Control C, V, and bring it here. Then I'm going to change the text color to black. Then our text is going to be popular. I think is it popular sounds? So popular sounds. Okay. So popular sounds. Popular sounds. Then let's check its property. So the property for it is let's see. So we have Montserrat extra bold size 20. So Montserrat extra bold. And the size is 20. Okay. Then let's do that of the view. Okay. View all. So view all. Let me just click here. Okay. Control CV. Then I'll bring it here. I'm going to type view all. Okay, so view all, its property is let's see. So size is 40. Size is rather 9. Okay. Semi bold Montserrat. So 9 semi bold. Okay. Then we'll bring it here. Now, let me just take this one. Auto type view or view. Oh, okay. Then the color for it is ash. This gray color. So let's just give it a gray color. Then we are done for the spots. Okay, so in the next lesson we'll do that of this and then we'll move to the next one. So thank you.